Welcome back, guys. It is I'm your SGW guy, the doctor of foodology. Feeling pretty damn good under 300 pounds, let me tell you. Today I am trying something new. The Sunkist Strawberry Zero Sugar Singles to Go Powder. All right, that's right. So, let's try and open this box here. Let's take out our packet. Strawberry, yeah, you just itched my nose. Deal with it. Look at that. Look at that, on the go singles. Now, this hand is where they, hold on one second, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My doctor was calling me, so I had to, everything's cool, everything's good. Just checking up. All right, so, I saw the caller ID, my doctor, I was like, oh, better, that's not a robocall. All right, so, let's, I can smell the strawberries. All right. We're going to cap this puppy up. I'm going to do a little shake. Let it sit for a couple seconds there. And yep, again, we are doing the Sunkist strawberry flavor on the go powder drink. Okay, zero sugar, no sugar. So today it's after my procedure that I had yesterday. I feel really good. I felt a little crappy this morning because of the medicine that was still in my system, but I'm feeling a little better now. In a couple hours, 24 hours, I could take and check my bandage, so maybe I'll do a video about that. I don't know. Oh, it's beautiful outside. Let's try not to use my right wrist a lot, but it's just so, you just do it without even realizing. All right. Another winner, winner. Drinking, I don't know. Anyway, everything's going good. I feel good. I gotta talk to my doctor with the next whole day, see about getting back on some type of exercise regimen. They might want to have it monitored for a while to just make sure my heart's okay. But as for the catheterization I had done yesterday, everything's pretty good. No blockages. So I'm very, see, I usually use, I'm just so used to grabbing it with my right hand to undo. That was very good. Now my older sister found it somewhere in one of the dollar stores, or Dollar General, Family Dollar, one of them. I don't know what one she goes to, but you can get these at just about anywhere you could find them. So guys, be blessed, stay safe. Can't wait to see you all in Outside the Box Live. Saturday night, 9 p.m., baby. We're back. We're better than ever. See ya.